Hello, Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations here. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or Facebook page, please check it out and press like and subscribe, Dawn's Inspirations, to see all what's going on in my crafty world of the World Wide Web. I wanted to share with you the alternative page fold that you can do with your 6x6 memory books. You've seen the 6x6 memory books that I bring you from Pink Frog on Create and Craft TV. This is the original page fold that you get the instructions for in your kit. But I wanted to share with you this new page fold that you can also do with the same kit. You don't need any extra card. It's all there ready for you. So let me just share with you now. So let's do the centimetre version. So you've got your card that actually comes in your kit. So this is 15 by 30, your card blank. So this is to make your page. You're going to score at 5 centimetres and 15 centimetres. And then you're going to burnish both of your score lines. And this is going to give us our page. And then I'm going to go in with red line tape. I'm using 6mm here. I'm using the Pink Frog red line tape. And you're going to put a strip along the top there. And a strip along the bottom there. And I always like to burnish my red line tape to push the glue into the fibres of the paper, and you will see the colour of your tape change when you do it. I'm going to fold that over, and then again you're going to put a little piece on there, and a little piece on here. There we go. Again, give that a quick burnish down. The next thing you are going to do is to add any decorative paper, extra photo mats with stamping on before you stick your tape down. So for the strip along here, it's not going to go all the way under because we don't like wasting paper or extra card. You're going to make a mat that is 14 centimetres by 5 centimetres. And on this side here, you're going to do a mat that is 14 centimetres by 4 centimetres. By 5 centimetres. So both those are 14 by 5. And then the middle one here is 14 centimetres by 4 centimetres. Once you've added your decorative paper or your stamped on card, or you don't have to add anything at all, just stamp directly onto the card. You then take your red line tape off and burnish that down. And then we remove the red liner tape here from the other side as well and burnish that down. And that gives you your extra page fold with your smaller pocket, and also, get my fingers in here, your large pocket. Okay, so if I bring the finished book in, so this is just giving you an example. I like to attach the smaller pocket side to my hinge. Okay, so you'll do that in exactly the same way as you do your other pages. And then once you've got that stuck in, the 2 photo mats you're going to need. The smaller one is 12.5 centimetres by 12.5 centimetres by 8.5 centimetres, sorry. And the larger one is 12.5 centimetres by 12.5 centimetres. So then when you add them into your book, you've got that lovely layout look. And you could get away with putting 2 of these mats in each one. But if you put 1 in each side, you've got enough of your A4 cardstock in your kits to be able to produce a book like this with everything that you've got in your kit. You don't need any extra cardstock. So I'm Dawn McPhee, thank you for watching, and this is the Centimetres version of your 6x6 memory books from Pink Frog with the alternative page layout. See you soon.